Sewage. Sewage is wastewater released by homes, industries, hospitals, and other users. It also includes rainwater that has run down the street during a storm or heavy rain. The water that washes off roads and rooftops carries harmful substances with it. Sewage is a liquid waste. Most of it is water, which has dissolved and suspended impurities. These impurities are called contaminants. We know that sewage is a complex mixture containing suspended solids, organic and inorganic impurities, nutrients, saprotrophic and disease-causing bacteria, and other microbes. Organic impurities, human feces, animal waste, oil, urea, urine, pesticides, herbicides, fruit and vegetable waste, etc. Inorganic impurities, nitrates, phosphates, metals, nutrients, phosphorus and nitrogen, bacteria which cause waterborne disease like cholera and typhoid. Various kinds of harmful chemicals are present in the sewage, and their improper management may lead to many diseases.